The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya has decided to resume its indefinite protest on Tuesday after the state cabinet did not meet its demands. The teachers have decided to stage indefinite protest at the secretariat in the city and the mini secretariat in Tura. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had earlier assured them that a proposal for enhancement of the salaries of the ad hoc teachers will be cleared within 3 cabinet sittings. While speaking to reporters, Fastom General Spokesperson Mayborn Lingdaw said that the main reason which compelled them to come back to the streets since they have been betrayed by the state government. The Federation is demanding a hike in salaries of the ad hoc teachers by Rs 18,000 besides a 5% increment every year.
Has lied to us, it has betrayed us. However, we have not betrayed anyone. We have stuck to what we have said on the 12th of May, and on the 12th of May we have stated that if the government does not respond, then we will come back to the streets and we will sleep on the streets of Shillong.